Hey BZBGEAR fans, my name is Chris and this is Joel.
Happy holidays. Probably wondering what Chris and I are here to talk about. Well, we would like to invite you, the AV professionals in the audience, to come join our new Vimeo channel, BZBGEAR Pro.
We are really excited to be introducing a new avenue for our AV professionals, basically allowing us to dive deeper and give more of a masterclass essentially about our BZBGEAR products as well as some available solutions.
If you're a dealer, distributor, technician, or engineer seeking a video channel that cuts to the chase, giving you only the information that you need, well, you have just found your channel.
If AV technology is your life, perhaps even a second language, this one's for you.
Absolutely, Chris. Now, if you are not in the AV industry or you are not that familiar with AV designs and terminology, do not worry. You're actually in the right place right now, BZB TV.
Yep, that's correct. BZB TV has been offering great content for years for those looking for some basic understanding of technology as well as how-to setups. But for you professionals, you'll want to join us at BZBGEAR Pro on Vimeo for more in-depth looks covering lots of different setups with a variety of gear.
Not only will we offer professional how-tos and product introduction videos, we'll also live stream on occasion, including our monthly webinars, every third Thursday of the month, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
So please come join us for these monthly webinars. They'll be about 20 minutes long, give or take 5 minutes, depending on the subject, including questions and answers. The best part is if you're not able to make this meeting, obviously, come back and watch the recording, leave a comment.
Yes, exactly. And while you are rewatching the webinars, exactly, we welcome you to ask questions in the comment section to continue and keep the conversation going.
So gearheads, if this sounds like something you've been looking for, we invite you to come join us. Thanks for watching today. We look forward to connecting with our professionals on Vimeo at BZBGEAR Pro.